does have little, like, not handles, but things on the side where you can grab it out pretty easy. It's fairly heavy. It does have wheels, which I wasn't sure if it did. So that's really good. I'm not sure if it already has filters in it. I think these are the extra ones that come with it. It came with 4 filters. It says those are like a $400 value. The HEPA filter says 6 months. They last 6 months to a year and they're not washable. So I guess everything else is already in there. See if there's anything else. I don't think there's anything else in the box. So can y'all see that pretty good? Alright, let's see this thing. I think it's beautiful. It better be beautiful, right? Okay, for maximum effectiveness, run 24/7 in auto mode. Let me read this and figure it out. Okay, it says to open the back. So I guess this is the back. It's easier to do with 2 hands. Hold on. Just take the tape off. Comes off easily. Okay, it says it's the top one. The only one that has plastic. So I like very simple, specific directions. So you gotta take this and get it out of the plastic. Once you take the plastic off, it'll tell you this side up, and it has the little tabs on each end that helps you pull them out. So you just simply slide it right in. And there's also tape down here. And it shows there's 1, 2, 3, 4. One of them is the washable one. I'm not really sure which one it is, but let's see how easy this is to go back on. There's little grooves right here that you just stick them down in. Just like that. Let's undo the cord. I'm about to go pick my son up from school, so I was going to let it run while I was gone in the living room and see how it does. Okay, as soon as I plugged it in, it made a little doo-doo-doo noise. Like that. I don't know what I just did. And it's Wi-Fi enabled, but I'm not... Oh, it came on, didn't it? How do I turn it off? I'm going to take this. Alright, I'm going to turn it off. And it recommends to put it on auto. Fan speed's on high. Reset filter. Hold for 2 seconds. And it does sound a little loud, but to me, that's because it's on the high thing. But you can put it on sleep mode. Let's see, that's low. How do you do the sleep mode? But I like that because we sleep with a fan on, so that's going to be nice. And this tells you how your air quality is. Let's go. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back on auto. And here's if you have no odor. Let's see. Just trying to figure it out. Turn it on. Turn auto off. Maybe that's just like a sensing thing. It senses that. Ultimate clean. Okay, I'm just going to put it on auto again. See if it changes the speed back to high. And it does have a lot of air coming out. I have this tissue just to show y'all. Let me put it on. Put it on low. So y'all can see the breeze. I mean, that's barely. Now I'm going to put it on high. And that's high. And let's do turbo. So I guess that's if you want to do it really fast. And here's the air quality. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can turn the light down. It was like in the middle way, so. Okay, I just wanted to do the unboxing and show y'all how it was, and I will definitely be letting y'all know how I like it. What does that mean? Why is it blinking? I'll have to read all the things about it. Alright, I'll let y'all know how I like it. Thanks and God bless. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.